Now, I've just come out for my last fish of the trip to South Coast, New South Wales. I'm just going to the surf beach behind the airport at Moruya, and I've arrived bang on the tide. 4:45 says Willy weather, 4:45 p.m. high tide. So just at the back of the airport. Most people know the spot, just where the Windsock is. Been pretty successful here in the past, but mostly in the AM sort of first light stuff. So gonna try an evening session, see what comes of it. You just never know. So just arrived at the beach. I usually get up and have a look around and see, as all good fishers will do, have a look for any sort of sign of a gutter. You just never know. Any spot sometimes is good, but generally you want that nice gutter. No real clear sign of a gutter on first look here. So I'm probably just going to go with my favourite spot, which is right in front of the Windsock, which is back there. So same as always, get my two oldest rustiest hooks. One long shank, one circle, and of course a nice heavy sinker. I like these store-bought paternoster rigs, and I'll include the link to these, to something like this anyway, in the description for the video. Nice and easy, nice and simple, quick setup. Means I can transport the rods without the hooks on them in my car. Turn up down here and set it up just like that. All done. Time for the bait. So, a couple of bits of pilchard. I got no prawns, no squid today. I'm running out of bait as it's the last day. A couple of bits of pilly, hopefully will do the job for a tailor or a salmon, or who knows, a flathead. I caught a nice big 60cm flathead here last year, so you just never know. Tide's coming up. I've decided to go waderless today, so I'm going to be a little more careful. Well, careful if I don't want to get wet anyway. Boom, first cast. Come on, fishies. We got one, not too big. We got one. Just as the light was starting to fade. Ooh, little jump out. Ooh, another jump. Not a massive one by any means, but it's something. Hey! Oh, he goes back down. He goes back down. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Come to me, come to me. I'm ready. What are you? Hey. Half decent salmon. Probably, I'm gonna say, I'm gonna say 40. Yeah, I reckon 40, maybe 45. Won't take him. See you, mate. Good morning. Heading out for another session. I said it was my last session last night, but had quite a few pilchards left over and decided I'll go out again. So it's 5:28 AM. The tide has just landed. I think it was 440, 450. So it'll be on the way down. The light should be coming shortly, so I thought I'll get out and have another crack. Peck, come on, take it. Yes. Whoa. Yes. It's a pretty good one. It's a pretty good one. Come on, mate. First light again. Always the Sambos. Whew. He's going hard. He's going pretty hard. Come here. Now we got a little ledge just here. I got to be careful that one when he comes close. Don't want to lose him on that. Come on. Get here. Oh, I got a double. You're kidding. You're kidding. Have a look at that. Woo! They are some big Tailor. I think you're both coming home. Very nice. Let's get these hooks out without losing my finger. No wonder it felt so bloody heavy. There's two of them. One of the hooks has come out. Don't even know how that happened. Get that one back in. Try and get this hook out. Now you got to be a little bit careful with Tailor. Do have some sharp teeth in there. Bent the hook as well. Two nice Tailor. Similar size, one's a touch smaller, but hey. Pay off for waking up early. Hi everyone. Interrupt this fishing session just with a little plug for a product I bought recently. This little face mask. Pretty cool designs. You can pick 4. I think it's about 10 or 15 bucks for the lot. Good for summer, protect you from the sun. And also really good for winter. And as I found this morning, a nice cool breeze coming through. But I can barely feel it. My own breath's warming me up. Anyway, have a look. I'll leave a link in the comments to the product. Have a look, pick your favourite product and buy a batch. These things are real cool.